Veganism has gone from a fad to a trend to a movement, and now a way of life. We're told it's better for our bodies, better for our climate, better for the world. So I gave it a try, and it was awful. I'm a pretty basic chef, and I'm way too lazy to do any decent research, so I called in some help. This is my friend Victoria, self-proclaimed Instagram model, big ideas person, and she likes being upside down regularly. She is the most vegan person I have ever met. She loves to tell everyone how milk is made from cows that are crying about their missing babies, and educate fools in supermarket lines about the dangers of using single-use plastic. She would be the perfect vegan trainer.
Yeah, and then can I have a big like house salad?
House salad?
Can I have the carnivore pizza please as well?
Carnivore, yeah, sure.
Thank you.
The way we have to do with you because you're obsessed with me. The fake meat, but it's gonna taste like meat. So we're gonna make one meal with that, and then the other one black beans for tea. Oh, that's the other thing. Me no, because
you don't fast.
I'm a girl. Girls don't fast. Number one. Number two, your body get used to it.
I can't wait until this is over and I'm gonna have another pizza just like this. Let's do some shopping.
Yeah.
This is gonna be really hard because normally I only just go straight to the meat and then decide what I'm gonna have with my meat. What are you building your meal around? We're eating so many vegetables.
Do you like this?
I don't know what that is.
Do you like parsley?
You're just gonna have to feed me anything and I'm just gonna have to eat it. That's this week's challenge. It smells like plants. What meal are you foreseeing here? Because all I see is a bunch of random vegetables. I'm getting so nervous because I don't see anything in here that I would normally eat. Where's the protein? Oh no, these are beans? I'm gonna be farting all week. I know nobody from work watches my videos, but like, I apologize anyway. This is just more beans.
Some of these.
This week is gonna be rough. Beans, they make you smart. The more you eat, the more you fart. That's, you never heard that song before?
And I never.
Should be paying more attention to be able to replicate this. Basically, if I don't like any of this food, I can survive on the grapes and the peanut butter.
Do you want chai seeds?
I don't know what I want. You're supposed to tell me. Oh my goodness, are you buying me bird seed? This is literally what my mom feeds the bird.
Some seeds and some nuts.
Wait, are you eating the food already?
Mm-hmm. Do you want to try it?
I got Ezekiel breakfast. Almond milk to drink, fake meat. I think that's it. Let the games begin.
I just doubled up on crypto. I just doubled down on the new vest. Now my check looking like 2 checks. Type of money made me want a 2-step. Who next? This week I be on the moon next. Stop.
Day 1. We're about to cook our fake meat. We're gonna throw all this nice green stuff and this nice yellow stuff and this fake meat and this beans into a frying pan and make magic happen.
It's all nice and healthy.
Okay, we're now gonna add the fake meat so that you don't get withdrawal symptoms. Look,
Yeah.
it's a good start. Day 1, I think we did a good job. After a few days of being vegan, I wasn't feeling so positive anymore. It's day 3 and I honestly don't know if I can take beans anymore. thought you fell down a dark hole. It's so gross, it's like this black shit.
We're gonna make some roasted vegetables.
Okay.
Kale. Have you
Which
had kale
one's kale?
before?
This one?
This one. Kale. Broccoli, a bit like roasted veg, and then the black bean, quinoa, patties. You are not as excited as before.
No.
I know, you're tired.
I'm losing enthusiasm on this.
No, how are you feeling?
Not great.
Why?
Because I've been eating beans for 3 days. So there we go, another really interesting Victoria special. But it actually doesn't taste too bad. Good job. Today is Tuesday. It's the 4th day of the challenge, so crossed the halfway mark today. Today was really the hardest day. I've just kind of lost. I just don't have any desire to eat anything. Like, I don't look forward to meals at all. And tonight I just skipped dinner altogether because I was like, my stomach is very unhappy with me, grumbling and like got weird. Today was also really difficult because it was somebody's birthday at the office, so they were like eating really nice cake and then I had to eat the vegan cake. It's my friend's birthday today and we have all this cake. I can't eat it because I'm doing vegan. But somebody in the office made vegan cupcakes, so problem solved. And then I went to a church home group meeting and there was brownies. And I couldn't eat the brownies. I mean, so maybe that's a good thing, but it's kind of like you can't interact and eat in a social atmosphere because of the fact that you're eating this like special diet that nobody else cares about or is doing. So I've never not looked forward to eating so much. It's kind of sad. And it's not even that the food tastes that bad. I don't know if it's just like a mental block. And it's the idea of eating this like stuff that my mind doesn't think is tasty but is actually fine. It doesn't help that everybody I tell that I'm trying this thing are like, wow, what's wrong with you? Like, so they kind of perpetuate the idea of that this is madness and that just eat the meat. You know, it tastes so much better and it's good for you. I honestly thought this would be like super easy and that I would just maybe crave it like I crave ice cream, but it's actually been a little bit more difficult than I thought. Okay. After a difficult few days, we're gonna try and make stuff that actually tastes good, but is still vegan. So we have chocolate and flour and baking soda and bananas and whatever this is. And we're gonna make
muffins, chocolate muffins.
For our main meal though, we're going to be having burgers. Fake meat though, so I'm not sure what it's going to taste like, but...
It's going to be amazing.
This is the first time this week I've been excited to eat. Nice. Thingy-majiggy, burgers are ready.
Ready? It's better than the real thing?
Of course not, but it's not bad.
Oh no, you can't say that.
That was really good. It might not have been as healthy as the previous meals, but at least that one tasted good.
Yeah, it's delicious. It makes me sad, you know. That this was the nicest meal. How can you say that?
It was quick and easy to make. It tasted good. There's no way I would be able to sustain what we've been doing earlier this week.
It's really nice.
It's good. Very good. Good job.
Good job, bitch.
There's clearly a fatal flaw with this experiment. I'm used to eating meat and not used to eating beans, so the withdrawal symptoms were strong. Victoria actually predicted this the night before we began.
Yeah, I mean, this is the thing. 1 week, 10 days is not enough because you need to get used to it. And and then you start feeling the
So I'm gonna be
benefits.
shredded after this week.
Oh my god, so shredded.
To truly see what veganism can do for me, I need to give myself at least a month. Maybe wean myself off the meat, but give me 6 months to get over how awful I felt, and maybe I'll be able to trick myself into trying it again. Last day of being vegan. Let's do this. This is the Last Supper.
How was your week?
It was horrible.
And do you think you're gonna eat meat again?
Definitely tomorrow, first thing.
First thing for breakfast. What are you gonna have for breakfast?
Bacon, an egg, and sausage.
No!
You have bacon?
No!
God, I saw you all shopping and everything. It's like
So-
lots of stuff in it.
Oh yeah, Mark,
Exactly.
sorry, Mark can cook, but he couldn't even cut an onion.
That is it. Successfully completed 1 whole week of being vegan. Tomorrow morning, bacon and eggs for breakfast. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you think I should try this again, maybe for a month. Hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for more nutritious content, and I'll see you again soon.
Bananas.